Hi, you can earn money watching videos online for free in this new app to make $5 daily. Yes, this is the truth. This is the earn money opportunity right now that I'm going to show in this video. Just to stay with me, see this video, and you can earn a decent amount of money. $5 a day can make you $150 per month easily, and this is the minimum. More work you do, more time you spend on that, and you will make more money. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the site that we are going to use to make money online in this video, which is called grabpoints.com. Yes, this is grabpoints.com is a very good site to earn money for watching videos. So how you're going to get paid and how you are going to earn money watching videos. But this is not only watching videos to earn money sites, they also have some really good survey offers. So this is mainly a service site, but we are emphasized on watching videos. So if you go to this website, they right away they are asking you to join. So this is free to join. You simply fill it your basic informations and sign up there, and that's okay. That's a simple couple of seconds work. When you're done, you can go through this website, how it works, how the process works. So it's simple. You just watch videos, and people's all around the world, companies all around the world promoting their products using videos, and you just watch those videos, see those ads, and you're going to get paid. So you are watching content creators video, and advertisers are paying money to promote the ads in those videos. And when you watch those videos and when you get to see those type of ads inside a video, then you're going to get money from them, and GrabPoints is going to pay you for that. So this is a really good way to earn a decent amount of money. You can get paid by PayPal. You can order any gift cards if you like, and this is really awesome way to earn a very good amount of money from grabpoints.com. So if you just sign up there, after you sign up and confirm your email account, it will show your dashboard like this after you log in. So you can see that they have surveys, and they have offer walls, they have very special offers, live feeds, and very good way to earn a decent amount of money. You can earn with surveys, but we are not going to do surveys here. We are interested in watching videos. So how we are going to watch videos? If you see in the left menu, you can see that this is a link, watch videos. If you click on that, it will load the watch videos page, which is and if you click on survey page, this is the page you will see on the surveys, and you can participate in any surveys if you want and earn a decent amount of money per survey. You can see that 85 cents, 60 cents, even $10 you can earn from a single survey. So this is really awesome. But in the watch video sections, you can see that there are two options, which is hideout TV and lootably. So in most cases, hideout TV, if you are living in a tier 1 countries like USA, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and countries like that, hideout TV is going to work on that, and otherwise you cannot work with hideout. But lootably, it's not that difficult to earn, but somehow they also have restrictions on countries. So if you are living in a tier 1 countries, then you are good to go with this, and you are going to get a decent amount of pocket money. So we are interested because hideout TV and combinations of hideout TV and lootably, you can earn a very good amount of money. There are lots of videos out there. So if you can see that you can earn 7 points, around 7 points for every 3 videos you watch, and from in lootably you will earn 5 points for every 3 videos you watch. So if I just calculate, if I just go over to the survey sections, you can see that 85 coins, 850 coins is like 85 cents. So if I calculate, then 10 points equals to 1 cent. So if you watch 6 videos, it is going to make 1 cent. Yeah, this is not that much. It's a very little amount. So that's why you are not going to get rich with watching videos. But if you watch videos daily, right? If you use social media accounts, if you spend a couple of hours daily, so why not earn money by using those times you spend on your phone? So that is a really good way. Simply watch some videos and it will not take much time from your side. It's very easy. Simply watching 3 videos, you do not have to watch it completely. It's just from first 30 seconds to 1 minute, it's okay to watch. So within 5 to 10 minutes you earn that points, and you can move on to the more opportunities out there. So I recommend you just simply watch it, click it, and lootably going to ask you for registration. So when you click on start, it's going to show this page where you can see that they have videos, they have apps, they have also have surveys, videos, apps, and one click offers, quizzes that are going to give you points to you. So if not watching videos, they have lots of opportunity for you to earn a decent amount of money every day. So after watching these videos, you will refresh, you will come back soon, you will get more videos like this. You can see that 7 points per video this page is giving you. So this is opportunity is living limitless. You click on it, it will ask for you sign up to Lootably so that they are going to pay you. But if you just go directly to lootably.com, you will not going to get your money or get your points, because they pay out through a survey sites. So that is why grab points comes out here in the place where you earn from Lootably. You get pay points from Lootably, and they will send that points to grab points, and then you can convert that points into your PayPal or any bank account or any payment options like you like. So this is the way, this is the catch. You go on to Lootably, you watch videos, you install apps, you complete surveys as well, you get points, and then get that point into grab points, and you can earn a decent amount of money. So watching videos is an options, but you can make more money just by surveys. If you refer someone, you can earn 500 points. You can see that. So opportunity is limitless. Just not watching videos. If you just fill some surveys and refer some members, it's an easy way to make more than 10 to $20. But watching videos, if you just watch all the videos every day, then definitely only by watching videos you can make $5 per day. But that's a very hard work, but that is it. So if you want to increase your earnings, you have to complete offers or surveys so that you can reach more money easily by spending less time there. So this is the case, this is this thing of gradpoints.com and Lootably. You can earn also from Hideout TV as well. That will also increase your earnings. So in combination of both, $5 on average you can earn from grab points daily, and it's like $150 and more money per month. So this is a really handsome money, and if you watching, if you want, you can do that. If you are needing of money, you can do that. And that's it. This is the method for this video. If you are liking this method, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you are not subscribed in my channel MoneyHorn, just go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with MoneyHorn, stay with latest videos daily, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.